The Fox News decision desk can now officially project that Donald Trump will become the 47th president of the United States.
The former president's comeback will be complete with a win in Wisconsin, a state that he narrowly lost 4 years ago. He is now the second president in U.S. history to win non-consecutive terms. The first was Grover Cleveland in the late 1800s.
It is just after 1:22 in the morning Eastern Time, and this is the biggest call of the night. Decision Desk HQ can now project that former President Donald Trump will be our next president, the 47th president of the United States.
That ABC News has called Georgia officially for Donald J. Trump.
L-ewwel aħbarijiet pożittivi għar-Repubblikani waslu minn North Carolina u Georgia, żewġ stati kruċjali, u fi Florida euforija ma tħabbira li Trump qiegħed sew fuq quddiem. Hawn Donald Trump fis-satejn u nofs tal-erba' filgħodu ħin Amerikan bl-ewwel diskors tar-rebħa tiegħu.
But it's a political victory that our country has never seen before, nothing like this. I want to thank the American people for the extraordinary honor of being elected your 47th president and your 45th president.
Hawnhekk North Carolina ferħa bla temma l-partitarji ta' Kamala Harris.
DDHQ projects Trump will win the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. Having just predicted that he will win Alaska, that will put him at 270, and that will win the Electoral College.